Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share with you another of what I eat in a day. These are a handful of meal options that you can try to incorporate into your healthier eating lifestyle. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you, and I look forward to helping you on your weight loss journey or helping you to also maintain. Most of you guys know I've already lost 50 pounds and I've been able to keep the weight off by better lifestyle choices, including exercise and eating healthier meal options. So let's jump right in with today's breakfast. I'm going to be running some errands today, so I wanted to make a quick and yummy breakfast that's easy to take with me. Today I'm going to make a protein and fruit smoothie. So the first thing you're going to need is your protein powder. For today I'm going to use the vanilla flavor. This is the 310 shake. This protein powder is a great option because it tastes really good. There's a lot of protein powders out there that I've tried that I wasn't so pleased with, but this is definitely one of my go-to favorite protein powders. I'll include a bunch of brands that I definitely recommend you guys check out down below if you're interested in picking up a new protein powder for your shakes or to bake with. But this is only 90 calories per serving. It's also sugar-free, soy-free, nut-free, egg-free, and gluten-free. You're also going to need your fruit. I'm going to cut up a banana and strawberries. And then you're going to need some type of liquid. So this has recently been my go-to milk alternative. This is the So Delicious dairy-free organic almond milk with cashew. It's unsweetened. It's only 6 ingredients and 35 calories per serving. So I'm going to combine all these ingredients plus a handful of ice into my blender and blend this up. Then just pour into a glass and I'm ready to go. This is a super easy, quick, and convenient breakfast that you can easily incorporate into your healthier lifestyle. It's perfect for having and enjoying at home or on the go. You can easily also switch up the flavors, obviously, with different fruits, protein flavors, etc. So for lunch day, I obviously didn't make it. I was out running a couple errands and just picked this up on the way home. But this is just a great, healthier option for a fast food style lunch. So this is from Firehouse. This is the small club on a sub, and I'll post all the nutritional value or facts here for you on the screen. But compared to a bunch of other ones, this is definitely one of the healthier, lower calorie options. It's really good. So I got it with wheat bread, and it has ham, melted cheese, tomato, lettuce, onion. Super good. Then I have the Lay's baked chips. So these have 65% less fat than regular potato chips. I really like them. I like the texture of them. They're really good, but also a better, healthier option than original. So this is the nutritional facts here. And then for my drink, I just have seltzer. This is lemon lime flavored. I'm really into seltzers or soda water, whatever you prefer to call it. I can also list my favorites down below for you guys to try if you are trying to switch from soda to seltzer. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy some lunch while I do some video edits. I think it's important to remember you can still treat yourself and have fast food or carry out or go out to a restaurant. It's just all about what you order and being smart, making the healthier decision when you order. And it's just all about balance. So really the best thing you can do is just educate yourself, read the nutritional facts on a menu, and just kind of ask yourself, what would be the better option? Something fried, something grilled, something baked, etc. Oh, also, sorry, every time I take a bite, I think of something else to mention, but portion control obviously is huge as well. So this is a size small. So just keep that in mind. The nutritional facts are definitely going to change depending on the size you order. Same thing with anything. Like if you had a Starbucks drink and you read the calories on the menu or whatever, those are obviously going to increase the larger size that you order. I'm gonna start prepping for dinner. The first thing you're gonna need is a can of cream of mushroom soup. And everything that I'm gonna show you is going to be cooked in a crock pot. Then you're also going to need a can of golden mushroom soup. Next, I'm going to take some sliced baby Bella mushrooms. And then to thicken this up a bit, I'm going to use the Faya Total 0% Greek yogurt. And I'm using half a cup. This is a healthier substitute for cream cheese, which a lot of crock pot recipes call for, so you can just easily switch this out to give you that same consistency, but it's going to be much healthier as far as the calorie content and fat content. Next, I'm adding in the Worcestershire sauce. That's such a hard word to say. And I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of this. This is going to give it a ton of flavor. I love this sauce, it's so good. Next, you can add in 2 cloves of garlic, or you can use minced garlic, just use the conversion. Then a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper, another teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm gonna mix this all together Oh, I'm also going to add in a can of sweet peas. I love peas. And we're just gonna, again, mix this all really well. So while that's beginning to heat up, I'm going to pull apart a rotisserie chicken. This recipe is also really good with beef, so you can definitely switch up your meat or protein options. The rotisserie chicken's obviously the quickest, but you can certainly use a thawed chicken or beef following the same recipe. Then for my noodles, I'm using the no yolk whole grain egg white pasta. This is whole grain noodles. And I'm going to place 3 cups of this right into the crock pot following the serving size suggestion. These noodles cook up really quick. They only take about 5 minutes. So you can just add these directly into the pot, stir it up, and they will quickly absorb the flavor and soften. Your cook time is also going to change depending on if the meat is pre-cooked or not. So this is going to just take literally about 20 minutes. 10 minutes with everything minus the rotisserie chicken, and then about another 10 minutes with the rotisserie chicken. In those 10 minutes, you'll need about 5 for the noodles. If your meat, however, is thawed and raw, that is going to need to cook, so you're going to need to allow yourself about 4 hours cooking on high and about 6 hours cooking on low. So again, just depending on your time frame. I also like to top this off with a bit of parsley, but that's obviously just preference. But this is a really quick, affordable, and easy option. You can just throw it all together and have an entire meal. My boyfriend Will is a really big fan of this recipe with the chicken or the beef. You could also serve this over rice or quinoa or other style noodles. Then, because I have a sweet tooth, I made a late night snack. So this is just a chocolate flavored rice cake. Then right over top, I used fat-free Ready Whip whipped cream, and I used colorful sprinkles right over top. This is a really yummy treat. Again, another quick and easy option for any late night craving you may have, but it's really tasty and you don't even have to feel guilty having it. So that's everything for today's What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would love to know about your personal weight loss journey. So if you've lost weight or you are looking to begin your journey or find yourself having struggles that you want some more support or help with, please comment any of that down below. Many of you send me comments or messages telling me how my videos have helped you along your journey and motivated you or inspired you, and I can't thank you guys enough for your support and for being a part of my channel. Make sure you guys are still subscribed and you have notifications turned on so you never miss a new video. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.